So when the page load like this, what you need to do is to come to this area. I can see this search. I'm using phone. I know majority of us you are going to be using phone. You can use phone from beginning to the end. Come to this search and type the proposed business name. The proposed business name, whether the church, whether the school, whether the business, any business like the now that they said the POS people should be to register their business. All of them are just running from one pillar to pole. Okay, now let's do the name search. To search for the name, let's say the client or your name is the best venture. Now let's search whether it's available. Now click at the down part of this one, this sky blue. Click there. It's going to suggest for you. Now it's telling us to go and check. That's motorcycle. So we are done with that part. Now come to this side. See, there's nothing like that the best. When you see something like this, there's nothing like that the best. Let me take it again. And let's say okay, the best venture. That's the ventures. The best venture. You now click on this search. Click on the search. You now come to this business name. Click on business. You can see business name. Look at this. Look at what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Look at this area. Search not found. Can you search not found? That nobody is bearing it under the business name. Now, it's also come to this area that is the company. Check the company. Is there any company bearing that name? No company bearing that same name. Look at this one. Incorporate nobody. Look at the limited partnership. Nobody. And look at this one. Nobody. Can you see now? Now, let me go and search the one that I know that somebody will be bearing it. Let me go and search for it. Now, let's search for your name. You see that there's none of your name that they will not be using. Adebowale Ventures. Let's say Ventures. Wale Ventures. You see, I know this one will be there, but let's check. And now click on the search. When you click on the search, under the company is under the company itself is there. Because under the company is there. Tosco Adebowale Ventures Nigeria Limited. Can you see? It's there. So if something is there like this, like your key name is also there, don't go with that name. Yeah, it's still there. The key name is there. Deji Adebowale Ventures. It's not that they will not give you if you go for this name. It's not that they will not give you if you go for the Adebowale Ventures. But it's not certain that they are going to give you. You have 99% as well that they will not give you. 99% that they will not give you that name. So that is just it. Once you see anything here, so that is where people normally have problem. That's where people normally have problem. That is where they normally have problem. The name that is already existing, they will still go. They say that my own is not Deji. I not put Deji in my own. Whether you put Deji or you not put Deji, they will not accept you. They do hear me now. They do get it. So don't go and be wasting your money. Okay. Let's search for another one. Let's search for another one. Let's search for this one. Now under the business name is not there. Let's say company name. Under the company name, we have text to the one that we saw the other time. That means it's not there. Let's see incorporate. It's not there. So this Babatunde Sola, it seems as if Babatunde Sola is not there. So Adebowa, this is only Adebowa that we see there. We also have okay. When you check it, you need to come down, or you may have like 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this one, I think you can go with this one. If you do Babatunde Sola, you can go with this. This name is available. It's available. You can go with it. So there's assurance that they are going to give you this one. I didn't say 100% assurance, but you have assurance, at least 90% assurance that this name is available. Johnson and Co. Nigeria Limited is already there. Johnson and Co. Nigeria Limited is already there. Let's say under the business. Under the business, we have Johnson Co. Okay, Modupe Johnson Co. is there. So there's assurance they will not give you this name. There's assurance they will not give you this name. There's assurance somebody they have registered this particular name. They've registered this particular one since June 15, 1989.
Are you the principal of a school or you are the school owner yourself? Let me tell you, if you are still using manual compilation for student resource, you are in the olden era. You are not of this current dispensation. Your school is supposed to have a database where the student, the admin, and the teacher will need to log in. If you didn't have this database or the school website, you are not of this 21st century. We have the database for you where the teacher can post the results, the admin can post results, you can post books to the student, you can post the assignment, and many other things. Our database for your school, it is 2-in-1. We have the portal where the results can be posted, and also we have the school website where everybody can see. Come to my DM. I will give you our website that we have for your school and the portal that we have for your school at a very cheap price.
Come with a unique name. If your client give you the name, that you know that okay, this particular name is somehow, tell the customer that this name is not available, and give them the suggestion of the one that is available. Like the one that I gave you the other time. Let me go back. The one that I gave you the other time, like this the best. The best supposed to be like normal the best. Look at this, the best ventures. You cannot, the best venture cannot be available. That is very sure. The best venture cannot be available. Normal the best. Can you see? Bless the best venture limited. So that is under company. Let's see under the name. Under the name we have Onijo Best Venture. So something like this. Once you have the resemblance, they may not give you. So that's why I changed that into D. You can see DEE best. Let me now take it again. And I put it together. You can see DEE best. If you now search it now, you will not find something like this. No find, you can use that it's not there again. So that is just make sure you do what? Make sure you make the name unique. Make sure you make it unique. Guys, that the D and the best together. So something like this, just understand. I don't think anybody will be bearing this name. And that one is already unique for the customer. So just the name for the customer or for the client, sorry. For your client, suggest the name for them. If you are the only one, if you are the one doing it also for yourself, suggest a good name. It doesn't mean whether you have been bearing a particular name before and you now find it and I say, you cannot change your business, and you will change it to even the big company, they change their name when they want to register. Do you understand now? So there are so many secrets that I will reveal to you. There are so many secrets that we will reveal to you if you come to our paid class. I will reveal so many secrets to you if you come to the paid class. The reason why some people they will say that this thing is fake, this thing is it's not fake. It's because people that are doing it for them, they don't know how to do it well. If you know how to do it well, you see that you'll be collecting money. You are going to be making money from here. I'm very sure you will make a lot of money from here. So that is just it. I would like to stop here. And for people that will come to our paid class, they will enjoy everything from A to Z. From A to Z, I mean. Okay. Happy Fion, happy Any. I'm expecting you in our paid class.